Hey everyone, I'm here to dive into a topic that's captivating political enthusiasts, not only in Zimbabwe, but around the world. Let's jump right into the heart of Zimbabwe's shifting political landscape. The political scene in Zimbabwe is witnessing a significant transformation. Nelson Chamisa, a prominent figure and former leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, has taken a bold step by distancing himself from the CCC after allegations of infiltration by the ruling party, ZANU-PF. What's creating waves now is Chamisa's new venture, the Blue Movement. After leaving the CCC earlier this year, Chamisa sparked anticipation and curiosity about his future moves. And now, it's clear that he isn't just sitting back. He's actively shaping a new political chapter with the Blue Movement. So what's this Blue Movement all about? Chamisa states that it's more than just a political party. It's about creating a mass movement aimed at engaging grassroots supporters to challenge the cycle of disputed elections that have plagued Zimbabwe since 1980. However, the road isn't smooth. The formation of the Blue Movement has ignited a scramble for positions among politicians aligned with Chamisa. This jostling reflects the deep-seated divisions and the high stakes involved in redefining Zimbabwe's opposition. Despite these challenges, the grassroots support remains strong, with many seeing Chamisa as a beacon of democratic aspirations. Meetings, rallies, and engagements are already rolling out across the provinces, led by figures like Ostalo Siziba and Amos Chibaya, who are at the forefront of promoting Chamisa's cause. Yet, this isn't without its conflicts. Critics within the movement urge patience and caution, emphasizing the need for unity and direction amidst the chaos left by the CCC's leadership vacuum. As the Blue Movement gains momentum, it's clear that Chamisa's political saga is far from over. The movement is not just about political rallies or gaining positions. It's about crafting a strategy that could potentially reshape the entire political dialogue in Zimbabwe. In conclusion, as we keep our eyes on this evolving story, it's evident that the political landscape in Zimbabwe is on the brink of something new and potentially transformative. Whether this will lead to a breakthrough in the cycles of political disputes remains a story to watch. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay updated on this and other political developments around the globe. Catch you next time!